together. First we take the hose and spray, spray, spray. Spray, 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 spray. First we take the hose and spray, spray, spray. Let's wash the truck together. Next we take the soap and scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Next we take the soap and scrub, scrub, scrub. Let's wash the truck together. Next we take the hose and rinse, rinse, rinse. Rinse, 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 rinse. Next we take the hose and rinse, rinse, rinse. Let's wash the truck together. Next we take the towels and dry, dry, dry. Dry, 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 dry. Next we take the towels and dry, dry, dry. Let's wash the truck together. Next we take the wax and polish, polish, polish. Polish, polish, polish. Polish, polish, polish. Next we take the wax and polish, polish, polish. Let's wash the truck together. Now we are done and it's all clean. It's all clean. It's all clean. Now we are done and it's all clean. We did it all together.